All right, good morning, everybody. So we got very close. The market is in sync on the long side. We got very close to closing right below Globex, and the market just literally ran back up. So that tells you there's a little bit of strength going on here. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Becca. Good morning, Marty. Good morning, Safe. Good morning, YouTube. I'm Joe. Good morning. Here you go. All right, so the market is in sync. Okay, here you go. All right, so the market is in sync. They're trying to push it. So we cannot see 24. Yeah, 22. If the market breaks at 22, that's an issue. It seems like it's very congested here. Potential captain set up short. Here we go at 22, 25. So the market is putting the captain set up short on the 70 NT Rinko. We'll see what they want to do here. If we start making lower highs, then we know that the market is going to drift toward Globex. Globex is 799 right now. Really a very fairly congested price action. I think patience here is a good thing. We start breaking anything above 60, then momentum will start picking up on the upside. If we break anything under 25, we're going to start getting a push toward the low and 800. And Globex is 799. So yeah, that's 800. So they're trying to protect it. They're spending a lot of time in this rotation here. The market is literally stuck in the middle of the range. Captain set up short right here. So we had a captain set up short up here, and there's another one right now. That's congested, and there is a distribution going on in this market. You have a 70 NT Rinko captain set up short. Market's trading in the middle of the range. You need that break below 25. Like the market is in sync on the long side, but there's a lot of patterns of consolidation that I need to kind of watch out, especially this early in the morning. We don't have a break of the opening range in the market. We simply don't right now. Six prong captain set up short. I mean, good lord. We'll just take it. Because that's the six prong captain setup, but we'll see. My stop is right here. Just gonna add to it one here, and I know I'm taking a risk, but there is just a lot of things going on here. I'm just gonna take another one. Took one off. Second contract off. Let's see if I can get a push. Third contract off, and I'll leave that one as a break even, and boom, they took me out on that one. It's not bad. 6-pound captain setup. How much did I make on this deal here? $423. Thought I could have made a little bit more, but that's fine. It's a good trade. I mean, the market is still in sync on the long side, but you know, whenever you see a captain setup, 6-prong captain setup, and you're getting a 70 Anti-Wrinkle captain setup short, I'll take a shot at it. I mean, my stop on that initial entry is literally at the 43 level. Now you missed this 6-prong captain setup short. Good morning. Good morning, Adam. Holden, good morning. There's weakness in this market. There's a little bit of weakness in this market. We got 1, 2. I kept adding 2. I got 1, 2, 3, and a 4, and then got rid of it, like right here. Plus that. I think we'll get another rotation. We may end up at Globex, but I just need that 25 to hold. I know, safe. That's why. But you look where we ran into. We ran into the support area. So that's the market is reacting to that support area. And that's fine. I mean, I'll scalp it till it breaks. Then I'm trying to keep one contract kind of as a runner and see if I can catch something really big. We like these big trades. Let's go. Yeah. It's a sideways market, Adam. Make sure that the price action is really breaking under that 15 or over the 60, and just kind of avoid trying to play the middle of that range unless you have something like this. You got like a six prong captain set up. I'll take a shot at it there, but yeah, you're trying too hard in a congested market. Just let the mar. Okay, so guess what? If we break 1675, that's a captain setup switch trade short on the 70 NT wrinkle. Then taking a shot at the market short there is it makes sense. And 16, then 12 will be the market out of sync. Then we can go to Globex. Gonna give it a shot here. 16, where's my stop? My stop should be all the way up here. Really? Let's see. I mean, it gave me 10 points. I'm trying to hold on to it and actually add to it on the way down. Here we go. Give me a push, another one into the '05. I'm gonna go break even. I'm gonna go break even right here. I flatted that trade, which is really a surprise, but I mean they put a captain setup. I don't want to stick around for that one. Let it run up a little bit, and the market is out of sync, so it supports selling pressure. Let it run up a little bit, and I'll see if I can jump back in. Here goes the push. Yeah, we got news, top of the hour. Warren G, thank you. No, let me see here. Tuesday. No, we don't have any. API weekly statistical bulletin at 3:30 today. I have news. Here we go. They're gonna take it out. Man, should have made some money on that one here, but I just didn't like that captain setup that they built up. Like I couldn't just sit there because that could have just blasted all the way to 30 easy. Speed range and behavior. Speed is moderate. Range is contracting. Behavior right now is a two-sided market with an attempt at Globex. A whole lot of distribution going on. Okay, so they're okay. I get what they're doing here. I really do. I mean, they're chopping people. You have such a distribution level between 40 and 60. Um, I mean, I think the minute you break under 800, you're gonna get quite the push. Market is out of sync. Here goes another switch trade. I would have to get aggressive with this. I just need yeah, see, that's the problem. They start flushing it too quick. Let them run it back up a little bit. Anything. Like, here we go. Let me see if I can do that. Hold on, hold on, hold on. That's not what I want to see.
Time to get up and go.
Jesus Christ. That's not what I want to see, really. Putting the captain setup? Wow. They're going to stop me out on this one. I need another attempt, or otherwise I'm going to get stopped out. And my stop is reduced right here. So I'm giving it 13 points. That's all I'm going to give this thing. Thank you. Man, oh man. That was a good one. Made $600 on that deal. I took a little bit of heat. I mean, I was about to get stopped out, but I know, but I made money, so that's what matters. Okay, so let's just keep working here. Market is in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Let's go. I think we went from 820 to 9, so 30 points, 31 points on that trade. Hey, David. They're tossing price action around Globex. So the target is 774. Then after that we have the bottom end of Globex, which is 749 as a target. A lot of rotations here. There's a captain set up long on the 30 NT Renko, so they may just rotate this one back up a little bit. I'm probably gonna take it to the 808, retest 800. Yep, that's what they're gonna do. Gonna go retest. So watch out. If you're trying to get short, just watch out. The market could stop run against Globex and then retest Harmony Zone number one, then come back in. So you don't want to be. There's a captain set up long on the 50. Now you have another one on the 30. So you get multiple signals telling you there's a rotation upward coming up. So watch out. I'm looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity. The market is in sync on the short side, but we have a pocket of buyers that are active here. And they're active around Globex because you can trap a lot of people, around Globex. Sorry. All right, I'm gonna take a 5-minute break and I'll be back. All right, I'm back. Market is in sync on the short side. We're looking for rallies to short into this market with a target at 774. Good morning, Sheila. Get the fuck out of here. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of a push here. Market is in sync. We should be looking for the short side. We have a target all the way down to 774. Damn, look at that. That's the move. Okay, baby. There we go. All right, so what we got going on here is the captain setup. We're long against Globex. They're trying to, bounce it back up, but I rather look for rallies as a shorting opportunity, considering what we're looking at here. I mean, the market is short. I just want to see a good signal, though. And we're trading above Globex, protecting it. We need to see price action under Globex. Because all what the market is doing right now is just trying to protect Globex. Market is in sync on the short side. You start breaking Globex, you're going to pick up momentum to target 3, then 774. Then we have I mean, the big number would be 50, 750. I mean, this is the kind of market that will chop people up if you're not careful. You have to be careful and pick your spots. Make sure that your 30 into Rinko and the 70 and the 50 and the 20 are all in sync with the 200 and the 100, and just take scalps. Here you go. Some selling. That's what we want to see. How's everybody doing so far across the board? Target number 3 is hit. Next target is 774. Then we have a target at 750. Okay. So Adam is down on few evals. Okay, no problem. Green for safe. Becca is up 11 accounts, down 5. That's no problem. Maudie is all down 900. Okay, that's something you could recover from. No big deal. How's Holden doing? Larry, where you at? Down $50. That's manageable. I mean, we're starting to expand away from the opening range. So if you want to know what the opening range is, that's the opening range. We have two opening ranges. The one between 7 and 8, and that one was between 58 and 36. And you can see how the market just kept hitting that level and coming back. Then you have the 8 o'clock to 8:30 range, which is the 52 to the 800, and that we finally kind of broke away from it. So the market spent a lot of time this morning just doing that, and then broke. So good to know, and that creates momentum now. Oh, is that what it was? You like how fast it paid? All right, let's just get. I mean, the market is paying here, so let's. There you go. Back to the 50, like it's supposed to go. Hey Matt, how are you? Target is hit. Next target 724. Rallies are shortable on the swing trade. We had good trades early on since you're. I had a 31 point trade right here, short, one contract. I had a flat here, and I had a big trade, 4 contracts right there. I got in on a 6 prong captain setup, short 1, 2, 3, and 4, and got out here one flat. So we're over 1,000 for the day. All right, so market is gonna oscillate here. We're looking for shorts, for rallies to short into this market till proven otherwise. If the market breaks 790, that puts us on hold, and we have a target of 724 coming up. We're at target number 4, so this area between 4 and 5, you'll get some counters, so you got to be very tight with your stops on in this area. Larry up 94, good job. Nah, they'll give you another opportunity, Becca. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. $12 contracts. What is that? 53. Is that micro or? That's a legitimate target. It's an absolutely legitimate target. Target number 3. Go get him, Matt. Go get him. That's a switch trade right here, so they may just bounce it back up. So be careful. Yeah, here it comes. So they put a switch trade right here, and that's just typically an area where they go bounce it. Yeah. Market is in sync on the short side. Why do you want to do that? Here we go. We're in the middle of the range on the 200 NT Rinko, so just watch out for a stop run above 58.60. They'll run this market back up, trying to get rid of some of the shorts and trap the longs, and they'll bring it back in. So just watch out for that 58. So that put out another switch trade right here. So they run it up right now, and then they'll pick up the 60s and come back in. Here comes. I mean, I can take a shot at it here with a very small stop. and as they stop run above 60, I'll just sell it. Ooh. Nope. I know that's a counter trend, but I got a lot of support under me, and it's a tight stop. Yeah, they're gonna get me out. Okay, that's fine. Here they come again. Market is shortable. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 724. I don't need to get cute with this market. Target is 724. Then we have target number 5, then target number 6. Yeah, don't get cute. That was what the fuck trade. What? You were in the profits on that trade. How did it go belly up like that? So whenever we're in the middle of the range after a sell-off, any trades in the middle of the range has to have a tighter stop, because that's where the trend following traders, if they hold the price, they can reverse it completely. So if you look here, look at how the market came into the middle of the range like that, and it looks like it's going to crash, and then paused it, and boom. They tend to do that more often than not. It looks like the market is going to go into a two-sided market here, which means that most likely we're going to go to 74. It had one more rotation before it started to do this. Market is in sync on the short side. We're looking for rallies as a shorting opportunity on a swing trade basis. The market is going through a period of consolidation and choppiness. Be very selective in this environment. I mean, one of the things that they could do is they could run the stops, and we fade the stops. So if they run the 65 into the 75 and then the reverse, that could be an opportunity for a short. The longs I'm going to stay away from for a little bit and just see if the market makes a higher low on pullbacks. Okay, here you go. I mean, that's what we kind of expected. A bit of counter. Now the market is out of sync. Now if the pullbacks start to hold on a higher low, then the long will be a little bit more stable. That's something. They're not even holding, not pausing here. They're going all the way to tag Globex. That's something else. Let's see if we can find ourselves a short here. Against that 800. Oh, for the resets, $50. Yep, it's not bad. I have a short at 800 if they come and tag it, and my stop is will be will be at 24, 25. Uh-oh. What's happening here? I'm at break even. Come on, give me another push lower. I need 80 out of this trade. It should be a 20 point. I'm gonna reduce my exposure, and at 79 we should be going to 80. I'm gonna go to 89. I'll take it there. That's a good trade. Damn it. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Let them play that game. So that's a rejection. That's a rejection of Harmony Zone number 2, and they tested it twice. So, and that is by the way, the bottom end of the opening range. So you have a lot of things going on here, and now you're getting that. There you go, Matt. Get him, baby, get him. Get after it. Take your money though, because we're at the bottom end of that range, and they can bounce it back up. 'If we break 61, then the market will be in sync on the short side again, on a swing trade basis. $61.25. That's what they have to protect. Here we go. The market is in sync on the short side. We're looking for rallies to short into on a swing trade basis with a target, and the target is 724. We have a lot of room to get there. We just need the signal here. I'm gonna have to get aggressive on this one. I'm gonna put those orders out there and see if I can get a rally, and my stop is gonna be 805 or less depending. Took one contract off to help pay for the trade for 5 points. Let's see if we can get canceling this order, moving my stop to closer, and let's see if I can get. Yeah, that's not gonna. I'm gonna take a profit here too on the second one, because it's just that's gonna bounce around. That's gonna bounce around. I don't want to be involved. Yeah, we made about a couple of $100. No, about $150 on this trade. New webcam? Why? Doesn't look good? My You don't like my picture? All right, so I see what they're doing here. My screen's all green on this has been happening. I don't know why. Let's figure it out. I think it has to do with the application. Yeah. Sorry, guys. Market is in sync on the short side. Speed, range, and behavior. Speed is slow here. Range, um, I mean, really, it's kind of tight range. And the behavior is more short than long, but you're not getting a lot of momentum in the middle of the range. So